Hi, it's Alison from the Law School Toolbox. I want to do a quick video just to talk about what we think you need to be talking with your professors about when you go to speak with them about your exams. So, we're going to have this as a download, but this is a basic checklist for discussing your exams with your professors. First off, you want to talk with them, did you spot the correct issues? And if not, can they show you a place where you might have missed an issue that you should have talked about? And also what facts triggered that issue. So if things are missing, talk to them about why you should have known to talk about that. You may have also talked about things that weren't relevant. That's a great thing to talk with them about so you can figure out why you thought this was triggered when it actually was not. Second, talk about your rule statements. Can they show you a place where maybe the rule you wrote led you astray? Did you need to use elements? Did you just get the rule wrong? Was it not specific enough? All of these things are really great to get their feedback on. Third, did you use all of the legally relevant facts in your analysis? So are there places where you, for whatever reason, did not use the facts? That's really useful to talk about. Next, how was your analysis? Was it too conclusory? Did you miss counterarguments? What were you not giving them? And often a professor will just say, oh, well, you were too conclusory, but really ask them to point out where that was. Can they give you an example of where you might have done a better job? Because that's really what you need to find out. Next, could you have done a better job overall with your IRAC? And it may be CREAC, whatever they were looking for. But was that there? Did you have the basic issue, the rule, the analysis, the conclusion? If not, and that's something they wanted, that's something to work on. Next, how is your overall organization? Are there places where they think your structure wasn't great, things were disorganized, hard to follow? That could be really useful. And if you had multiple choice, how did you do on that relative to the essays? You might not have that information yet, so that's really interesting and critical to ask about so you can figure out which piece you need to work on. And finally, just ask them, do they have any thoughts overall? Is there anything they see in your exam that they think that you might want to improve? I know this is not a fun conversation, but it will be really helpful. So go talk to your professors and use this checklist. Thanks for listening, and check out lawschooltoolbox.com for more help.